Welcome to another episode of Girl You Always Sewing Something. Today I am so excited to share with you my new sewing machine. I purchased a 1964 Singer 2081-1 sewing machine off of a seamstress. She bought this sewing machine from a yard sale and never used it. This thing has to be about 200 or something pounds with the table, the motor, etc. I was a little skeptical when I purchased this machine because they didn't have any way for me to test it out. So I just went strictly on faith and believed that I'm going to buy this machine and everything's going to work out. And it absolutely did. This machine is so beautiful. There's nothing this machine can't do. There's no reverse stitch on it. The machine came with a manual, and I'm going to take the camera off the tripod so I can show you around the machine. But look at that beauty. I think later on I'm going to spray paint it just to make her, you know, look brand new again. But this machine was so freaking clean. It was so clean in the inside of it. Once I lift everything up, the belt, it was just a perfect find on, I think I got it on Craigslist or OfferUp, one of those two, I can't remember. I went to the guy's house and picked it up. Of course, you need a truck to pick it up. It took three people, two men and myself, to actually get this in my sewing machine room. That's how heavy this sucker was, okay? So without further ado, I'm going to take the camera off the tripod so I can show you this baby. All right, okay, so the machine came with everything that you see. It had the stand, came with the table. I was hoping to use my new table, but this machine is bigger than the new machine I purchased that I never talked about before, but I will one day. So this is my second industrial machine. Yes, let me back up. That's the model of it. This machine stitches at, drum roll please, 6,000 stitches per minute. Did you hear what I said? 6,000 stitches per minute. She has a throat plate on her. It's one of those, which is the first time I ever had one like this, that it has the sump pump in it. You pour the oil in there and it oils itself. So I never had a machine like that before. There's the wick, and that's the pump. This sucker is heavy. Wait, let me try to get this back down. The sucker is heavy. Okay, here's the table. The table's a little chipped. It has the Singer logo on it. It has a ruler in the front of it. Here's the knee lift pad. I'm gonna try to bring my light down so you guys can see under it a little bit better. That's the knee lift pad, but let's look at this motor. This is a clutch motor, and that's what makes this machine so freaking heavy. Look how big that motor is. This is the on and off switch for the clutch motor. I want to spray paint all this. I'm going to reface this machine eventually. I can't do it on my carpet. I should have did it before I brought it upstairs, but you know how you get those epiphanies after, and I'm like, I can't damage, you see that carpet? I can't damage the carpet. So here's the the foot pedal to it. And I just want to clean all this up. I want to spray paint it all. I'm going to take this template and put some fabric over it and remake this again. But this is such a great find. I'm going to start her up so you guys can hear how she sounds when she's ready to roar. Okay, let's start her up. That's how loud she gets. It takes a good minute, I think, for her to really get warmed up. I like to give her a minute just to let the oil kind of go around inside that sump pump and like really get her started. So let's see what she can do. I'm going to grab 12 layers of fabric right off the rip and just see how she sews. Okay, so she is plugged in and ready to go. I have her on a side angle. The camera's on a side angle. Hopefully you guys can see it. My space is so condensed now since I have so many things in my room. So I'm going to use this wool fabric, and I have muslin in the inside that was for lining. I like to layer my clothes up with muslin, underlay, you know, lining, all that good stuff. So this is 2 layers right here, 1, 2, and I'm just going to fold it over. Let me go this way. So I'm going to fold it 2, 4, 6, 8. So that's how thick it is. That's how thick it is. And I'm going to get it under here the best way I can. That's a lot of fabric. Keep it flat so you guys can see. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I'm going to try to have it as flat as possible. I'm zooming in, and let's see what happens. It went straight through without a problem. Without a problem at all. Whenever you have a machine that doesn't have a reverse stitch, what I do is, if I want to reverse something, I just go back over that. So that same seam I just did, I don't cut my string and I just hit it again. That's considered your reverse stitch. And also when I'm finishing my garments, I use my serger. So it's giving it that extra protection. Look at that seam. Look at that seam. Look how tight it is. I did the reverse stitch on this end. Yes, yes, yes. So never overlook these old sewing machines. They will last you for the rest of your life. They are really good quality machines. Make sure, you know, test it out. Don't be like me. And if you see a good machine on eBay, Craigslist, OfferUp, or whatever else they have out there, grab yourself one. If you're a novice seamstress and you just want to get a sewing machine, industrial sewing machine, you don't want to spend a whole lot of money for it, invest in this. This machine is way better than a machine I spent thousands of dollars on. I haven't even did a review on that machine yet because it has been such a total nightmare. But I'm about to do a review on it now so you guys can see the first machine that I did purchase, and this Singer is by far way better than the one I bought brand spanking new from California. Way better. Alright, so hopefully you guys like this video. If you want to see more about it, they have these machines everywhere online. They're very easy to find, believe it or not, and they're very affordable. So please like, rate, and subscribe if you want to see how I thread it, different garments I make out of it. Let me know in the comments below. Alright, bye.